let's tie up a version of the Mojo Yarn Nymph. This is a new product that came out in Troutline, and I think this is probably the most versatile and the most easy material to work with to make really sexy nymphs. So let's tie this up. First we just put some thread on the hook and kinda build up a little bit of bulk on the fly like this. Just go back and forth. This is a 3mm tungsten classic bead, so it will be a little bit loose. It will look that it is loose. We will secure it later. So we're building a little bit thicker body, slim in the back and a little bit thicker to the front. So I go there and then I go to the front. Like that. Yeah, I think that's good. So we take a little bit of moyo yarn here. This is, I mean, I'm kind of stunned using this material because it's so good. I've also been fishing with these flies obviously, and they are amazing. I tie in the yarn in the front, pull a little bit like that, just like that, secure it. Then I like to tie it on the back just so I see approximately how thick the fly will be. I go all the way down. Oop. Something like that. Then I go tight wraps, build a little bit more body. Just like that. Something like that. And then we are going to wrap the material, which is really easy. So I like to do close wraps, so it kind of follow through with the body, builds up a little bit more volume to it, like this. So this basically will look like a pupa or a larva of some sort, which is primary food for the fish. Take your time with the wrapping. Go all the way to the front. Then here, one last, I like to do a little hard wrap. Pull. Then I will secure it in the front with 2 wraps. And pull a little bit. We cut this off and tie it in. Secure it with some tight wraps. Like that. So now I kind of want to brush it just a little bit careful, just to bring out some of the fibers. So I will just gently do this with a dubbing brush. And you can find all the materials in the description below. Just like that. I mean, this is already fishable, so you could pretty much stop right here, but we're going to add some color. And this is the squirrel hybrid dubbing. We don't need much of it. We're just going to use a tiny pinch of it, which we are going to brush out, and the fly will look really good. And we make a tight dubbing noodle, I mean loose dubbing noodle. Then we just go a little bit back like this, and then back to the front. Pull. We finish. So this fly had it has given me a lot of big fish actually, and a lot of quantity as well. All right, so now we bring out the brush and do like this first, and then we go just follow the hook of the fly. And this, I get so satisfied every time because the fly looks so good with this, with the hook and the yarn itself. So as you can see, we have a very deadly nymph, which I highly suggest you to use. There are a lot of different color codes you can try.